At least 60% of internet users have indulged in online language learning. Why? This is because they can comfortably do it in the comfort of their time and place. 80% of companies and 50% of institutional students have used an e-learning platform, and we offer the same. French Tweets offers flexible time zones and days. Get your basic concepts for grammar and pronunciation all correct, right from the beginning. The learning is complete online with native experts from all over the world. Don't worry about buying study materials for all 4 skills, which are reading, writing, listening and speaking, as we provide them online for you. Even if you miss your sessions, we have your back with recorded lectures. Join our YouTube membership and get access to comprehensive video tutorials and mock tests. Don't worry even if you are a complete beginner. Register for free at www.frenchtweets.ca.